Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, March 12th, 2021. It is Fun Fact Friday. Did you know the blue whale is the animal with the largest heart? Lots of love that blue whale has. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today, we will have breakfast, and for lunch, we will have fish on a bun. On Monday, we will have breakfast, and for lunch should be chicken bites. We have a few birthdays today. We have Christina Jackson, Jace Bryant, Brandon Kaiser, and our very own favorite librarian, Miss Smith. So happy birthday to all of you today. We also have a couple of birthdays this weekend. Amelia Thompson, Jaden Boone, Josh Slack, Michael O'Kane, and Chance Gaines. Happy birthday weekend to all of you friends. Announcements, second grade especially this weekend. Make sure you get some rest and you are ready to knock out that test on Monday. So, excited for you, second grade. Important dates, March 15th through April 30th is our ACAP testing window. The 17th, we have AMSTAF PD. March 24th, we have PST. The 26th is the end of the third quarter. Spring break will be coming right after that. Then we'll have spring pictures. And on April 30th, we will end ACAP summative. Our ACAP Pep Partners, you are going to cheer on your partner grade level as they get ready to rock the ACAP. All right, so second grade's partner is going to be pre-K and Miss Overstreet. Third grade is going to be kindergarten. Fourth grade is going to be first grade. And fifth grade's partner is second grade. Shepherd Scholars, it is your time to shine. So make them a poster or a door decoration or make them some cards. Lots of ideas to cheer on your friends taking the test. Our word of the day is factor. Factors are the whole numbers that are multiplied to get a product. We know the product is the answer, so the factors are the numbers you multiply together. So in this equation, 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 and 6 are the factors that are multiplied together to get the product of 12. So our word of the day is factor. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.